Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm just going to make a quick video during my green tea break. Well, it's already over, but hey, life just goes so quickly and it's super hot. So without any further delay, let me first show you the slides for the presentation I did for the Frontend Coders last week as of this recording. And it went quite well, I would say really well in fact. And here are my, so I've been requested by Mr. Husel to write a. Normally, I had the intention of writing a blog post because I've already done most of the work, and I think a blog post on this topic would be really interesting. But like every full-time developer have lots of work already, and I still have my management information system that I've not really worked to because I had to conferences or meetups end to end with a separation of 2 weeks, I think. So most of my time has been separated those two. All right, so let's start first. You had also to see how I would normally be writing a blog post. Let me try to adjust my sound as well. I hope it's not too loud also because I have a lot of fun. Okay, so normally I would start with something introduction. Then I will. So this is the outline that I usually start. I have two main ways of writing a blog post. Either one is a first draft. I just write a first draft spot, and another one is I write an outline first. I go. Right now I have a. Hmm, I don't even know how which approach to use. So this is these are the notes I've taken when I was writing. I was researching the topic, so it's maybe it's a bit too big, but the advantage you have is that I could actually just publish this page itself. You can just do it, and that can be a good thing. And then I link back to my blog post. So there are so many ways to do that actually. Right now, what I'm going to do is it's very hard. I think it's quite hard to write a blog post when recording a video because I need a lot. So maybe I won't be talking as much as I would usually do. I'm still thinking, so what is happening to my voice? The list, the limitation, the scenarios. Well, it's a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of the like efficiency approach, one of the most efficient approach. I won't write everything right off the bat because it's going to forever. So this is the introduction of myself. A weird voice. Let's just copy paste this. It's not testing well. I don't even remember where this code is from, so I will for later. And let's also in revision control system, Monorepo is a software development strategy. Code or for la 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 la. Mono style development is a software development approach where you develop multiple projects in the same repository. The project can depend on each other, so they can share code. So I think that's an important part of when you're using a monorepo. there can be this dependency, or at some point you can be. The very least is they're related, but it's also possible they're not related at all. There is no exact like a singular definition for repo. Projects are dependent. You want to make a change, you do rebuild or retest every project in the monorepo. Yeah, instead you only rebuild and retest the projects that can be affected by your change. Quite good, because if you have big monorepo, then this can take forever to achieve. The monorepo is really a thing that has been that has been become popular by, well, now I should be rephrasing it. So is this, and I think it is from Wikipedia. Definitely from Wikipedia. These are the quotes I will look later on. And now the free a monolithic app has all or most of its functionality within a single process or container, and its componentized in internal layers. Yeah, so let's see what I've written right now. I've actually just put a picture because I have so many things to say about this. And of course, I think copy. Where is the copy? Oh, I don't even. Yeah. So maybe I will write something else here. Limited repo. Multi-repo. We have so many limitations. So I thought I've written personal benefits. Limitation. Yeah, I actually had it. I've removed it, but I left it on the agenda, but slides, because initially I had to. Well, this one I didn't talk about, but maybe I could have, because I was trying to explain Monorepo in terms of Ocean Islands, Lagoon Ship 10, Pirogue, like we say, ships. Okay, so well, it's going to take forever. I'm just about station. Guess kind of microservices. Yeah. So I've just rewrite everything. Days on. Station is post. I think. Wait, I had something I written on that. Multi-repo. So multi-repo. Yeah. Oh yes, actually I combined this after was presenting to a friend and acquaintance, a friend, and I got the idea that I should actually merge these two. So I'm thinking I need time to. My mind has loaded the work I was currently focusing on, and right now, kind of focus. Despite it's still in the morning, my brain is fresh, but I don't focus right. But matter we are at least right. I think this one is best. I just copy paste of a something like that. I think the aim here for me to use a maximum HTML. So copied it as HTML. I thought it would copy it as something else as Markdown, because we are using Markdown right now, but I will leave it like that for the moment. Yep. So Monorepo, this is Monorepo. Add a, wow, this is tremendous. Wow. Um, so let me for the moment, and then we have the benefits of Monorepo, where benefits so of a monorepo approach for the benefits. We have all this good stuff. Just paste it, and later I will edit it because it's going to be a lot of work. Not a lot of work, but will require me some focus and some time, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour, and multiple revision. Have something that's enjoyable to read. And of course, we have the downsides. Downsides is everything. I think I need some. I'm not. I'm clearly not in state to write this morning, but thankfully we get to put a quick video. There is nobody at home. Is for me the biggest source of friction because you can't really record when there are people talking in the background or shouting. When you have kids shouting in the background, so better and you're gentle. So I have some ideas as well. In this post, I yeah, so I have a lot of ideas I will share. I have actually lots and lots of ideas that I can write. I think I won't say write a book because not at that point can I write a book because I need to try stuff out. But the technology itself, the technology that we call NX is very powerful, very extensible as well, so we can use it. But first and foremost, in this post, I will share. Um, this post we are going to have a look at. Wow, this can take forever. Monorepo versus so here I'm just thinking what to put the definition of already here, and here I'm just put definition of. So once I've created the outline, like you can see here, I can then write some a list, and from that I think it's going to be okay. So I think this is going to be a short video, and I will write it later. I need time and focus, so see you